Hello everybody, hope you're all well. It's Mrs. Downs here. Now this week we're going to have a look at multiples of 4. So they're the numbers that appear in the 4 times table. So we're going to chant them all the way from 0 up to 12 times 4, which is 48. And for each number that you say, you've got to do a form of exercise. So it might be jumping for the numbers, it might be doing a sit-up for the numbers. I will tell you what your exercise is, okay, as you chant them. You might decide to chant them in a funny voice. You might decide to chant them nice and loud. You might want to whisper it, okay, it's entirely up to you. So we're going to go through all the numbers first so that we know the multiples of 4. So that's what we're going to practice, and we're going to do it with star jumps. So for every number that you say, I want you to do a star jump, okay? Right, so we'll go after 3. 1, 2, 3. 0, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. Excellent, well done. Okay, so this time I've covered up 3 of the numbers. So hopefully you can remember the number that is hidden behind these squares, okay? So this time I want you to lay down on the ground, facing up to the ceiling, and you're going to do a sit-up. So for every number, you lay down, and then for every number you're going to sit up and then lay back down. I'll go a little bit slower this time because I think it's quite tricky. Okay, so off we go. 0, 8, 12, 20, 24, 28, 32, 40, 44, 48. Excellent, well done. I'm sure your tummy's hurting a little bit after that, especially if you've done Joe Wicks this morning. Okay, so this time you can stand up, and we're just going to run on the spot as fast as you can while saying the numbers, okay? And try and remember those numbers that are covered up. So let's start running on the spot, and off we go, chanting them nice and loud. Ready, go. 0, 8, 12, 24, 32, 40, 48. Fantastic. I wonder if we're out of breath yet. Right, I've covered even more numbers now. Hopefully you know which numbers are covered up. So you're going to touch the floor when you say the first number, then reach for the sky when you say the next number, then touch the floor, reach for the sky, touch the floor, reach for the sky. Okay, so let's get started. Off we go. 0, 12, 24, 32, 48. Okay, right, and then the last one where every single number is covered up, but hopefully you can remember how to chant your multiples of 4. So we're going to end today's session how we end all of them with a rocket launch. So I want you to crouch right down on the ground, and I want you to gradually raise yourself up, and then when you've said 48, which is that last number here, I want you to shout blast off, okay? Now you could start, when you start at 0, you could start really, really quiet and get louder and louder and louder and louder until you're shouting here, okay? Right, so I'm going to clap, you're going to say the numbers as you raise yourself up like a rocket. Off we go. 0, blast off! Well done, fantastic. So hopefully now you've chanted your multiples of 2, your multiples of 5, your multiples of 10, your multiples of 3, and then today you learned how to chant your multiples of 4 and count in your 4 times tables. That's fantastic. Remember, you can keep watching the video to keep practicing those multiples of 4 so that you know them really, really well, and keep recapping those from the other weeks as well. Well done. Hopefully see you soon. Bye.